What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniques. In this video we will talk about how to make a desktop shortcut on Windows 10. We will discuss two methods. You can use either one of that. But before going further, do not forget to subscribe, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. Select and drop. In this method you can simply click on Windows icon. Select the application. For an example, if I want to make alarm and clock as in shortcut, then I simply have to select it and hold it down and drop it on your desktop screen. That's how you can make the shortcut of any of the application. If I want to make the shortcut of WhatsApp, then I simply have to click on it and hold it down and then drop it on your desktop screen. This is the best way of making the shortcut of any of the application you want to access directly from your desktop screen. But if you are not able to select and drop any of the app, then you can use the method 2, open file location. This method is only applied when you have installed the third-party application, or if you can locate the location of the application where exactly it is. If I'll click on properties, then I can able to see where exactly the WhatsApp is located. On the desktop, I can check the details. It's a shortcut of this application. I can check the more details about it and I can find where exactly this application is right now, so that I can make the shortcut of this. And if we go with Google Chrome, like it's a third-party application, then simply do a right click on open file location. This is the option you will get. As I said in the beginning, you can apply this method only on the third-party application which you will install. And if you're using Windows 7, then you can try this method, do a right click on it and you will get drop down list like this and select the open file location, and then you'll see a screen like this and you can see the Chrome icon. But I'm not gonna show you because I already have the shortcut on my desktop screen. I want to show you through the menu. Click on the start and you'll see this application in here. Do a right click on more, or it's better to say just take your cursor on more and you will get this options. Click on open file location and here we have Google Chrome. Do a right click on Google Chrome, select send to and select desktop, and now we have another shortcut of Google Chrome. If we want to make the shortcut of any of these applications like Microsoft Edge or the setting, then we have to do the same thing. Take your cursor on send to and select desktop and you can create the shortcut of any of the application. It's all depend if you can able to find the location, exact location of application you have on your PC. So that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe this channel and select to the bell notification, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.